Welcome back to Recycle and Save. We got a 2016 Drz400sm. Here's all the stock parts as well as some extra aftermarket signal light parts and the tail light and the tool kit and the carry caddy. It's got some really incredible gold rims. These are the ones that look like you'd see on James Stewart's bike, you know, that really cool color. He did a really nice job of everything gold, lots of gold bling on the bike, the arc levers that come back the other way. Everything works great, everything works good. Aftermarket passenger pegs, the stock pegs are all laying here in the pile. The bike itself is in really great shape, and it's got 75,000 miles on it, 75. Let me start it quick here, clutch in. Starts good, idles good, runs good. Stock exhaust is all there, but it has an FMF complete exhaust on it with the power bomb header. So that's the bike. Lights all work, dim, bright, signal lights all work. So that's our 2016 Drz400sm. Let us know what you need off of it. Hopefully we can help you keep your costs down on riding so that we can keep riding ourselves. Remember to subscribe down below to see what else we're taking apart. And you can also check the description below on how to contact us. You can contact directly for parts there through our Facebook page, or check our eBay store to see what else we've got. And again, remember to subscribe to see what else we're taking apart. Thanks.